15% might not sound like a whole lot, but it actually is, because it gets you going. With 15% of the climb, I got all the way to this amazing waterfall. Imagine what would I find in the 30% climb. 15% solutions is a liberating structure microstructure that I promised last time when I talked about wicked questions. I love 15% solutions, and I love pairing it up with 1, 2, 4 all, trids, and wicked questions. All you have to do is just watch the videos from last week and from last year. All liberating structure videos I've been posting on. So 15% solutions, very simple. Ask your team, ask your group, ask a business team. What can you do with the freedom that you have right now and the resources that you have right here and now to get you going? Like, what is the 15% solution you can come up with, the freedom and resources that as an individual you have here and now? Think about it. It's just this amazing concept, because the hardest part is the first step. 15% solutions gets the juices of the team members flowing, and a powerful discussion about what could we do as team members with the freedom that we have and the resources that we have and the liberties that we have to move forward. So pair up 15% solutions from Liberating Structures with 1, 2, 4 all and a lovely wicked question. It's very exciting. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe if you like it as well. I'm Michael Neer. I'll see you next time.